TV9 network had organized a Think Fest named What West Bengal Thinks Today in Kolkata, West Bengal, which was attended by politicians, thought leaders and opinion makers. West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar attended the TV9 conclave and spoke on various issues pertaining to West Bengal elections. Speaking at the conclave, Governor Jagdeep Dhankar highlighted how a confrontation between the state and the union government affects people.
Our constitution does not permit confrontation between state and center. सेंटर और स्टेट के बीच में कन्फ्रंटेशन हमेशा जनता के लिए घातक होता है। पश्चिम बंगाल में जब मैं देखता हूं कि 70 लाख से ज़्यादा किसानों को पीएम किसान का फ़ायदा नहीं मिला, पश्चिम बंगाल के एक भी किसान को नहीं मिला। देयर कैन बी कन्फ्रंटेशन इन पॉलिटिकल अरेना, देयर कैन बी कन्फ्रंटेशन एंड डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यू when you are in political area, but in governance we are committed to constitutional parameters. Any transgression of that will hurt the people.
Governor Dhankar also pointed out violence that occurs almost during every election.
कि जिस पश्चिम बंगाल ने देश और दुनिया को प्रकाश दिया, ताकत दी, दुनिया अनुसरण करती है, जब आज का दिन आपने चुना है, मैं सुबह से सोच रहा था, बहुत दूरदर्शिता से आपने सुना है। महात्मा गांधी जी ने क्या कहा? वी मस्ट शन वायलेंस, ही वॉज मैसेंजर ऑफ पीस। पश्चिम बंगाल में क्या कोई चुनाव बिना रक्त रंजित हुए हुआ है? 2018 का पंचायत चुनाव की आप जानकारी लेंगे, आप घबरा जाएंगे कि क्या प्रजातांत्रिक व्यवस्था में ऐसा खेल हो सकता है? 2019 का लोकसभा चुनाव, हर चरण के अंदर वी हैड ब्लडशेड, वायलेंस। तो मैं क्या कहता हूं, मैं गुजारिश करता हूं, याचना करता हूं, प्रार्थना करता हूं, लेट अस सेट अ न्यू एग्जांपल, लेट अस हैव वायलेंस फ्री इलेक्शंस।
West Bengal governor also spoke about an incident where TMC leaders had said that people who are not from Bengal are outsiders.
In our thoughts, religion, region, language, culture, but we are united because we are citizens of this great country. We cannot be outsider in our land. An Indian citizen in any part of the country is not an outsider. If anyone in the state says so, I take it as unconstitutional, unbecoming of the person saying so.
He also claimed that despite his best efforts, he never got an opportunity to serve the people of the state.
It is my duty. It is my duty to take up every issue of the state government with the central government. I have to be side by side with my chief minister. Unfortunately, in spite of my best efforts, such occasions have not arisen.
The TV9 conclave will highlight several issues, especially those that are related to the upcoming assembly elections in the state.